Hello viewers, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to fix app not install problem. When try to app install on your Android phone, show this problem. Let's see how to solution this problem. Open on phone setting, then scroll down, search security and privacy. Scroll down, click on more security setting, then click on install unknown apps option. On Chrome permission and scroll down and turn on my file permission. Go back, click on apps option, click on three dot menu, tap on reset app preference, tap on reset. App not install problem solved. If you have any help in this video, please subscribe on my channel.